Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Hope y'all are having a great week. Behind me I have our brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. The Montauk series starts at 15 feet up to 21 feet, and this is one of my favorite ones that had a huge redesign for the 60th anniversary. On the back transom we have our upgraded 115 Mercury, so plenty of power for this boat for water sports and fishing and getting to your favorite spoil islands. And then we have the seating package, which gives you your aft seats with removable backrests, which create your rod holders, and then very comfortable cushion seats that are also removable in this boat. The big feature that was changed with the remodel, as you can see now, is we have a underdeck fuel tank. It's a 25-gallon fuel tank for Whaler, so it's nice now having a live well underneath your reverse piloting seat for your helm instead of a fuel tank. At the helm, we have the Simrad 9-inch GPS chart plotter, and we can add lots of different things on this boat for you, but some of the other accessories we've done is a JL audio head unit and JL audio speakers. And then we added the fishing package, which gives you tackle storage, cushion seat with backrest and rod holders, and then part of your cushion package will be the forward cushions that are removable, and underneath are your fish boxes, and then your anchor locker separate. Some other really noted features on here that we did was the light blue gel coat full hull, and then the teak package, which gives a really nice classic look to this beautiful Montauk brand. Bimini top gives you plenty of shade, and then we also included the trailer with this boat so you can get to all your favorite destinations and get in the water as quickly as possible. So if you'd like to see this boat or any others, please give me a call at 910-256-8100. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and look forward to getting out in the water with you today.